Bar managers are an awesome tool that we here at Squamish Watersports use every day. These super simple devices, which can be made at home, will allow you to set up your kite quicker, allow you to set up your kite in tighter locations, and will also let you set up your kite from a boat. They are, however, an advanced method of kite setup. Today we're going to talk about how to use a bar manager to attach your line to the kite on land. Firstly, you need to unwrap the ends of the line from the bar. Once this excess line is unwrapped, we lay it underneath the canopy of our kite to ensure they don't blow away. Then we lay the bar on the ground with our left steering line on the right and our right steering line on the left. This lets us lay the bar on the ground and then work from the bar manager, attaching each of our lines sequentially. Once our bar manager is orientated correctly, we then walk our lines in the usual fashion, having one steering line on each side of our body and the two center lines between our legs, and we walk towards our kite. Once I've reached my line ends, I want to keep hold of my lines and then attach my line to the kite using the locked head knot. Then I remove my bar manager, unattach the lines, and walk the rest of my lines downwind. We highly recommend that you guys do one final check of your lines to make sure that all the lines are correctly attached to the kite before you get the kite in the air. Thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more awesome videos.